What does Saka Dawa mean? Dawa means month in Tibetan. The term Saka, interestingly, comes from Tibetan astrology, and the Saka star which is associated with the full moon of the 4th lunar month. Today we're going to share with you how Tibetans observe Saka Dawa, the most sacred of Buddhist holidays. It is a holy month when we celebrate the birth, enlightenment and death, parinirvana of the Buddha Shakyamuni. The merit of any good deeds that you perform during this month are thought to be multiplied many times over by as many as 100 million times. So Saka Dawa is an excellent time to dedicate yourself to taking spiritually positive actions. The Saka Dawa observations take place in the 4th Tibetan month, which in 2020 begins on the 23rd of May and ends on the 21st of June. Most holy of all is the full moon day of Saka Dawa, the 15th day of the month, which is the date most commonly associated with not only Buddha's birth but also his enlightenment and parinirvana. In 2020, the 15th day of the month, also called Saka Dawa Duchen, will fall on the 5th of June. Some good actions that are commonly taken to accumulate merit during Saka Dawa, especially on the 15th day, are refraining from eating meat, offering donations to monasteries, nunneries, or to individual monks, nuns, praying and reciting mantras, such as the refuge prayer, for one example, the Om Mani Padme Hung mantra, or the Buddha Shakyamuni mantra, making prostrations around holy sites. In Tibet, people will make prostrations around the linga and baka, giving money to beggars. In the Tibetan community in MacLeod Ganj, beggars line the roads on the 15th day of Saka Dawa, knowing they will receive alms, lighting butter lamps, making pilgrimages to holy places, buying all kinds of animals they are going to be killed and releasing them fish. For example, circumambulating around stupas or other holy places. Basically, this means walking clockwise around a holy site while praying or reciting mantras, taking the 8 Mahayana precepts. It is very common as well to take the 8 Mahayana precepts for 24 hours during Saka Dawa, especially on either the full moon day or new moon day, the 15th day or the 30th day of Saka Dawa. The full moon day is considered to be more powerful for the accumulation of merit. The 8 precepts are: avoid killing, directly or indirectly, avoid stealing and taking things without the permission of their owner, avoid sexual contact, avoid lying and deceiving others, avoid intoxicants, alcohol, tobacco and recreational drugs. You may take prescription drugs. Avoid eating more than one meal that day. The meal is taken before noon, and once one has stopped eating for 30 minutes, the meal is considered finished. At other times of the day one can take light drinks, but not undiluted whole milk or fruit juice with pulp. Avoid eating meat, chicken, fish, eggs, onions, garlic and radishes. Avoid sitting on a high, expensive bed or seat with pride. Also avoid sitting on animal skins. Avoid wearing jewelry, perfume, and makeup. Avoid singing, dancing or playing music with attachment.